Hi guys. Hi guys.
Good morning.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Papa Rambo. Mama Ruby. Miggy. Dia. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. My pet eyes. What's your fog today, Mama?
Let's go! We're here in Esslingen.
This is one of our new Esslingen vlog.
Okay. Our first Esslingen vlog. Wait, it's ano kasi? Raining. Pero grabe ang tao. Oh, there's a man. There, oh. There. See? Siguro naulan. Later. Naulan. Ayan. Naulan. Ha? Diyan na tayo. Parang may milk teahan din yan dyan. Oh my God, the doggy. Slider. Kailangan ng reservation. Oh, may mga bus dito. Oh, ibig sabihin may mga turista. Oo nga. Oo nga, kasi bakit may mga pa-bus na punta? Siguro din. Oh, ito na yung church ng Evangelist Church. Ang lamig. Hindi pa pa. Kaming taka. Oo. Ang laki ng mga bus na pumupunta. Tig double decker talaga.
Where?
Pak. Sorry ka. Naulan ang aming labas. Ayan, oh, may mga bus. Ang dami. I bet si Miggy nandun. Ang gawa na dun. Oh, may Christmas stuff silang binibenta, oh. Look at that, Miggy, oh. Christmas stuff. Carnival season kasi kahapon dito sa Germany nag-start. Saan kaya nila ilalagay yung malaking Christmas? Ito ba yun? Ito na, yun. Miggy, this is the one. Christmas tree. This one, oh. What? Yeah, this one. Nabinahay pa nila yan isang araw. They travel they transport this big Christmas tree. Saan ka nila kinuha to? Baka sa Black Forest. You stand there, I'll take a picture of you. Yeah, I think that's the one because when we went here, me and Tita Edna, there's no tree in there. Wala pa siyang masyadong lights kasi bagong dating pa lang siya. Totoo yan na tree. So, baka sa Black Forest nila ito kinuha. This is the real Christmas tree. Look, oh, parang kagaya talaga ng Christmas tree na mga ano no. Oh my God.
Meron sa videos.
Oh, si Miguel sinasabihan ko. Yeah, this is real. Totoo talaga yan. Taas. Yung sa labas ng hospital namin, meron ding malaki doon. Pero sobrang taas. Dito mag-ano yung Christmas village sa sunod Christmas market. Ano yung mga binibenta nila dito? Ito yung mga building dito sa old village ng Esslingen. Ito yung lugar na natatanaw mula sa balkon namin. Iba. Corn? It's closed. Ano bang fish pan, cosmetic. Ayan yung ilalagay mo yung paa mo. Oo. Hanggang Samstag lang siya. Oo. It's closed. Come na. Yun. Palak siya ka isda. Kita niya isda. Come na. Pedicure, ganyan, oh. That's what they're doing, Miggy, oh. Oh, they smile. Smile mo na, smile. It's closed na nga. Oh, my papa is there now. Come on. Oh, wala na nga aming labas. Oh, here. Like in Ludwigsburg. Sayang nga lang na ulan na. Stadtmuseum. Spiel plus Freizeit. Oh, may mga bata na hindi na ako maka-video. The what?
Brussels waffle daw.
Waffle? Shop. Oh, here. You play here, oh. Oh, para si Papa. Oh. Yay. Sit down there, oh. Chest yan. Hindi siya marunong yan. Let's go there na. Go on the start. From the start,
Go. You don't go on the You need to...
pull, yeah. Left. Oh. No, you need to, ituruan mo siyang... Yeah, left or right. Put it down again. Okay. No, you need to pull the string from the right or left. Backwards even, no. Yeah, pull the string backwards. Left. Oh. No way. Papa will show you. Oh my God. Oh, here. Give it to other kids naman. Oh, let's go na. Pull it again more, a little bit. Go. Right. Go right. Right, okay, go. Good job. Straight. Pulse. Up. Right. Right. Oh, no. Okay, wait.
You need to go here and one. Oh.
Okay.
This is what you are always doing.
Okay, go. Oh. Up. Oh, Papa help Miggy. Okay. Okay, go. Again. Ah, okay. Miggy, don't move. Just ano ka. Okay, forward, backwards. Wait. Okay. Good job. Again. Continue. Okay. No shouting lang. Okay, almost there. Okay, almost there. Yay! Good job, Miguel, Papa. Again. Okay. That's all. Tricky. Oh, okay. Hindi mo shouting. No shouting. Good job. Okay. Oh. May Asia walk dito. Doon kami galing kanina. Rain or shine ah. Basa. Okay. Naiihit na ako. Lamig. Oh my God. Kita niya eh oh. Takpan mo yung mata niya. Sarado. Ano ba to? Hikes. Oh my God. Kita niya. Ba't may mga kandila ng Advent prayer? May mga, dito yung mga stores. Tayo sa side, huwag nga dyan sa gitna. Saan bibilhin? Herbst, ano ba tawag ngayon dito? Herbst Market?
Oh, may ano may.
Waffle. Kami, try natin ito. Oh, parang dito. Small tashe. Ito ba yun, oh?
Oh, ito.
Okay, go. Bye na. Oh, yeah, okay. Oops. Stay on the side lang na. There.
No, ja, gut, kann okay.
Standing.
Genau mit Idee. Natürlich.
Ja,
Genau, deswegen. Also die Musik habe ich nie was verschenkt. Außer ich habe mal was gesehen, was ich irgendwie... Also,
sarap.
sag bitte auch nicht weg.
Parang ang ano. Kami Magi. Dito.
No, come here.
Tabard kasi sa gilid. Come here in the middle. It's so yummy. Tortellini di panna, carbonara.
You try this one, huh? This is ano, so that you will become body.
It's so yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Carbonara. Yummy nito. Tortellini di pana.
Hi guys, I am going to try my first cheese pizza.
What? How was it?
I already tried this pizza, but
So good.
Show
me the so good face.
I tried this in McDonald's.
Show me the so good
But
face.
this one is
Oh my God.
the best cheese pizza ever.
Oh my God. So yummy.
So we will always
You
order.
try it.
We will always
Yeah, I will try it.
order cheese pizza.
Try it now.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
See your reaction. Go. Okay, Mama's going to try the cheese pizza.
So good. Yummy. Try. Try the white spaghetti. No, yummy.
There is also cheese spaghetti.
Hindi niya gusto ang carbonara. Hindi niya gusto. Only the pizza. Okay, pizza.
More pizza bread.
What will you say? Please?
Please and thank you. And give me more mini pizzas.
Okay.
Really like the pizza, no? I can't believe how yummy the whole pizza is.
Oh, grabe. Ang dami yung nakain, in fairness.
It's so good.
So good.
First time ko na makakita ng kung chef yun or manager. Nagkakakusat sa mga customer.
I can't wait to come back here
Dahan-dahan
again.
lang.
Oh, you hear that, Papa?
What?
I can't wait to come back here again.
I want to come back here again? Okay, next time when we're in Esslingen, we will eat here again.
You have a new favorite restaurant. Oh, my God. Kasi ko rin. Like that. Be?
You tell the waiter, the waitress.
We're going home na.
I can't wait to go to sleep tomorrow.
Why? Where are you going? Where do you want to go?
Bye.
I need to go to my doctor first.